Good morning students, welcome back. So today we'll be discussing the solutions of change the degree. Questions you already have received. I'm sure that you have solved it. So let's discuss the answers. Now you can see in the questions you must have received only the sentence and which sentence it is, like positive, comparative or superlative, right? Then you had to think that which rule it is, which type it is, type 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, and accordingly you have to change the sentences to comparative, superlative, whatever the sentence given, the other two sentences you have to form. Okay, so this first sentence, James is as tall as his brother. Now you can see that I've highlighted as dash and then S in red color, and the degree tall is in green color, and I've underlined it. It's a positive sentence. So this rule is type 3 to individual students. Okay, and in two individuals you know that superlative is not possible, only comparative is possible, and positive sentence is in positive form. So in comparative we have to add the word not. So his brother means obviously we are talking about James' brother, so we'll not write his brother in the beginning when we are forming the comparative sentence. That will come in the beginning. Okay, his brother will come in the beginning, but we'll not write his, but we will write James. So James' brother is not. Not is the negative word that we will use. Tall will become taller, and then is the compulsory word for making type 3, not dash then. Okay, so James' brother is not taller than James. Okay, got it students? Second one is Martin is more intelligent than any other boy in the class. This is a comparative sentence students. You can see dash more intelligent than any other. That was already given in the question. I've just highlighted the important words. So that indicates that it's your type 1 singular number. Okay, so then you have to make first positive. So type 1 positive sentence will be formed like this. You'll add the word no other in the beginning, then boy in the class will come in the beginning with no other. So no other boy in the class is, okay, then more intelligent will become intelligent. So as intelligent as, and then you write the word Martin. When you want to change it in superlative, again Martin will come in the beginning. Martin is the most intelligent. Intelligent will become most intelligent boy in the class. Okay, great. The third sentence, some other beans are at least as nutritious as meat. Now here some other at least as dash as, it's a type 4 negative plurals. So we have to make comparative and superlative in negative only, okay, by adding the word not. So first we'll make comparative sentence. Meat will come in the beginning. Meat is not, okay, the word not we have added. Nutritious will become more nutritious. Then some other is the compulsory word for comparative type 4 sentence, beans. Okay. Then when you change it into superlative, meat will obviously remain as it is. In the beginning, meat is not, and the word the is compulsory for superlative. So meat is not the. More nutritious will become most nutritious of all beans. Of all is again compulsory for type 4. Great. Let's look at the next sentence. Very few boys are as hardworking as Latif. Now very few and as dash as, again it's a type positive sentence but type 2 plural number. So we'll take Latif in the beginning is more hardworking. Hardworking will become more hardworking. Then many other. Then many other is compulsory for type 2 comparative sentence. Boys. Okay. Then when you change it to superlative, one of the is required. So Latif is one of the, and more hardworking will become most hardworking boys. Then fifth one, the Atlantic is deeper than the Arabian Sea. Okay, so this is your type 3 two individual sentence, students. Okay, so again, two individual type 3, that means superlative not possible. And what we will do, we will just make it's a comparative and in a positive way. So we will add positive but in a negative way. So to add to change it into negative, we will add the word not. So the Arabian Sea will come in the beginning is not so. Okay, not so. And deeper will become deep as the Atlantic. Clear? Let's take the next one. My mother is the most wonderful woman in the world. It's a superlative sentence, but the and dash simple. So type 1 singular number. Then again we've solved it before previously, right? So no other women in the world is most wonderful will become wonderful, and we will add as the word as dash as. So no other women in the world is as wonderful as my mother. When you change it into comparative, again my mother will come in the beginning is, and wonderful will become more wonderful. So my mother is more wonderful than any other than any other women in the world. Great. Let's take the next one. Sam is not one of the best coaches in the world. Not one of the best. So this is a superlative but type 5 negative plural 2. Okay, and best. So when we change it into positive, we will not write bester, bestest. No, we'll change it into good, better, best. Good is positive, better is comparative, and best is in superlative. So positive, we will use the word good. Best will change to good. And as it is negative plural too, so we'll add the word not in the positive sentence. So Sam is not so good as some other coaches in the world. And in comparative, we'll say some other coaches in the world are, here we will not use the word to negative. Some other coaches in the world are better. Good will become better than Sam. You need to remember the rules, students, otherwise it will be difficult for you to solve this degree of comparison mixed type exercise. Okay, this is a mixed type exercise where any of the sentence from any of the type can come and you have to solve it. So memorize all the rules. So now very few doctors in the hospital are as dedicated as he is. This is a positive sentence but type 2 because it begins with very few. So when you change it into comparative, we'll have he is in the beginning. So he is more dedicated. Dedicated will become more dedicated than many other doctors in the hospital. When you change it to superlative, it will become he is one of the. Okay. And more dedicated will become most dedicated doctors in the hospital. Great. Let's look at the next one. No other town in Malaysia is as old as Malacca. Now this is a positive sentence and beginning with no other. So it's a type 1 singular number, students. When you change it into comparative, Malacca will come in the beginning. So Malacca is older. Old will become older than any other town in Malaysia. Okay, than any other town in Malaysia. When you change it into superlative, of course, Malacca will remain in the beginning. So, Malacca is the, older will become oldest. So, Malacca is the oldest town in Malaysia. Simple. Let's take the next one. Raj was not more splendid than some other students. It's a comparative. So, not is the word and then dash and then some other. So, this is a type for negative plurals. When you change it into positive, we'll remove the word not and we'll add some other in the beginning. So some other students were, and then you add the compulsory word at least as, dash as. More splendid will change to splendid. Some other students were at least as splendid as Raj. It's your positive sentence. When you change it into superlative, Raj will come in the beginning. So Raj was not the, and splendid will become most splendid. So Raj was not the most splendid of all students. of all is the compulsory word. Okay, so students, here we completed the degree exercise as well, degree revision answers. We'll soon back with new video. Till then, practice and have a good day. Take care.